Today is Thursday, and Thursday is the most important day at Livegood. Thursday is the day where all the members receive their commissions, and it is also the day where new people are placed in the matrix below the ones that are already in there. So if you have already pre-enrolled with Livegood, make sure you lock in your position before the end of the day. This is very important. Now let's go over the pay stubs of some of the members at Livegood. Here's the pay stub of the first member. As you can see, he made $0 each week as a referral bonus, which means he hasn't recruited anyone since he joined Livegood. In February, he made $36.75 as matrix commissions, and in March, he made $111.25. This is an example of a person who paid $49.95 to join Livegood and has never recruited, and his monthly salary is already at $111.25, and that amount will continue to increase. So, if you are a member at Livegood and you are not able to recruit, you have to be patient. This member is already profitable, and when his matrix is full, he will be able to earn up to $2,047 per month without recruiting a single person. You can see why Livegood was ranked number 5 in the world on the list of network marketing companies with the best compensation plan. Do you know of any other network marketing company where you can earn that kind of money with a $49.95 investment and without ever recruiting? I don't think so. Keep in mind that if you do not recruit a single person, it will take a lot longer for your matrix to fill up. That's why we encourage members to recruit, because when you recruit, not only are you going to get paid every week, but you will make a lot more money. Now we're going to take a look at the pay stubs of few members that are recruiting. Let's start with this member who made $10,993 as matrix commission and $1,394 as referral bonus during the week of April 6th. In 1 week, he received a total of $12,387. You could see why we encourage people to recruit. Here is the pay stub of a third member. This member earns, on average, $1,500 per week, and he made $1,612 as matrix bonus in the month of March, for a total of $7,107.43 over the entire month. Here's the pay stub of the fourth member. This is the detailed view of his monthly payments. He made $911 as matrix bonus, $14,270 as matching bonus, and $32 as retail bonus. That's a total of $15,213 for the month of March. Here's the pay stub of the fifth member. This member already reached the diamond level at Livegood. He made $661 as matrix bonus, $6,444.61 as matching bonus, $12 as retail bonus, and $22,768 as diamond pool bonus, which represents 2% of the company total sales shared between all the diamond members. So he made a total of $29,886 in the month of February. Here's the pay stub of the sixth member. He made $7,436.75 as matrix bonus and $2,457 as referral bonus during the week of May 4th. So he received a total of $9,893.75. Here is the pay stub of the last member. He is also a diamond member. He made $547.5 as matrix bonus, $2,629.17 as matching bonus, $0 as retail bonus, and $9,247.93 in a diamond pool, which represents 2% of the overall profit on company sales. This makes a total of $12,424.60 in the month of March. So guys, stop wasting time and jump on board. You have the opportunity to join a company like this at the very beginning. Opportunities like this do not come very often. When you join our team, you will get access to all the strategy that we use to recruit hundreds of leads on social media each month on autopilot. We will place at your disposal everything you need to succeed with Livegood. You'll find the link to sign up below this video.
О, мой Боже!